All right, welcome back to another problem. And for this problem, it's quite simple, but let's turn on the layer real quick. All right, so we can see that we have all this dimension to worry about. The arc here is 250. We got 20 for radius and 40 for radius. Also, we have this shape right here, a hexagon. That is 117. And then we got 139 right there. So for this problem, the first thing I'll do, I'm going to base on this 117. What I'll do is I'm going to go in here. I'll create a center. So first, let me go to my construction layer, and I'll do a circle. You could do a segment, but I'll do a circle. I'll do a circle that 117 in diameter. So give me hit D for diameter first, enter 117. All right. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'll go up to next to the rectangle. I'll do the polygon, and I'll do 6 for this shape. Click on that center. I want to inscribe in the circle. So as soon as I touch the edge of the circle right there, click on it. All right, that is done, and we can now get rid of the circle. The next thing we're going to do is we know that from the top of this hexagon to the center of this circle is 139 unit apart. So for that, I'm going to go into my center line, and I'll click on this, go up 139. All right, hit escape. Now I can use that to construct my circle of radius 20 and 40. All right, once you're done with that, we're going to go next to establish our 120-degree angle to get this right here. So let's go back to our center line. And what we're doing is just go locate the center of this shape. And it's right there. All right, what I should have done is I should have kept my circle. That will be easier for me when I create that instead of get rid of it. But we can still figure that out. So let's see. We're gonna the quickest way for me to do is this. I'm gonna go ahead and connect this right here, and then I'll do it again. This time I'll find the midpoint of that. The midpoint of that is the center of that circle. So this angle is 90 degrees, and as we go to the right, it becomes 0. From here to there is now 0, and I want it to be completely 120. So 90 degrees plus what equal 120. So this angle that I'm looking at right now, I hit the tab key here. I need that to be 30. All right, I'm going to hit tab back, and then I'm going to see that the distance from here to there is 139. 139 plus half of 117. So what is that? I can do that real quick by do quick cal. 117 divided by 2. That's gonna help me exactly get the thing I need. That is 58.5. All right, so 58.5 plus 139. All right, that will give me 197.5. 197.5. So again, we go to the midpoint. We want the angle. So we set 197.5 is the length that we're looking for, and the angle we're looking for is 30. Right? Hit escape. Okay. So now you guys can do this real quick. If you don't, if you have trouble, you can do that, and you can go ahead and quick calculate. You can see that it's 139 right there. So that's match. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go back to our construction layer and construct our circles, which is the same dimension, which is radius 20 and radius 40. Okay. Once you're done with that, what you can do is you can go ahead and click on try to look doing this. So it's going to be circle. We're going to do TTR for tangent radius. We're going to click on our first location, then second location, and put in 250. Right? Escape, and then now we can go ahead and trim out our section that we don't want. Now, so what we're going to do is we're going to use the mirror option. I'm going to go ahead and select this, hit enter, and I want to mirror it over this. All right. When that is done, I can say no. All right. So now that I have that, what I'm going to do is I'll do the thing down here, which is, again, I can do tangent radius. So I'm going to click on right here, first, second, and 250, enter. Escape, and then trim the section we don't want. There you go. And now for this, I can just get rid of that if I want to, or I can leave that. And I can also do it so I can extend this real quick, and then I'll go back and I'll trim this little thing right there. So the shape is the same right now. The next thing you have to do is just go and take out your dimension. That is all that you have to do. 117 here, but I need to go into my dimensions right there to make sure that later on in this video you will see the reason why we're doing layers if you don't already see it. All right, so this problem is finished. Enjoy.